Looking for an easy way to spend quality time with your family or friends? How about improving your backyard with a unique gathering place? Here is an idea that the whole family might enjoy. Introducing Fire Pit Kits from Mutual Materials. Fire pits provide a warm and inviting gathering place to unwind with friends and family. From roasting marshmallows to campfire stories, music, or conversation, memorable moments can happen around fire pits. And adding a fire pit to your backyard might be easier than you think. Simply choose and order a kit online, pick it up at a local Mutual Materials store, or schedule delivery. Build your fire pit as a weekend project or hire a professional. Then, enjoy. Visit www.mutualmaterials.com to find your perfect fire pit kit and other backyard projects. At Mutual Materials, we help you build beauty that lasts.